हाय एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज की इस वीडियो में आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट द बेसिक्स ऑफ अ मैनुअल प्रोक्योरमेंट सिस्टम कि यूजिंग मैनुअल टूल्स आप प्रोक्योरमेंट को किस तरह से मैनेज कर सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्टेप, जिसके अंदर जब प्रोक्योरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट को एक रिक्वायरमेंट रिसीव होती है, वी कॉल दैट अ परचेज रिक्विजिशन, PR. Starting from the PR, when a procurement department receives a PR that includes the details about the exact requirement of the user or the end user or client, we convert that into a document that is named as SRQ, that is called Supply Request Quotation. In the Supply Request Quotation, we add the unit price, the exact required quantity, the description of the exact item, the exact requester of the item, date, and other required information that are important for the requisition. SRQ को develop करने के बाद we make an internal document that is called RFQ, that is called request for quotation. Request for quotation is a document that is later on shared with the vendors for getting a quotation. RFQ के अंदर भी आपकी कंपनी की information, date, unit price, description of the product, exact item required, specified budget if any, place of delivery और इस तरह की basic information होती है. When you rotate this RFQ to the vendors, you receive quotations from different vendors. After receiving the quotations, we have to move on to the next step, which is creation of a comparative statement that is called collective bid analysis. In collective bid analysis, we compare all the 3 or 4 proposals that we receive from the vendors. Collective bid analysis is a document that is normally made using the Excel, which has different columns. It includes the details related to per unit price, description, quantity, vendor detail, any other information related to the product delivered by the vendor, any other specification, on-site services, configuration, support, renewal, or any other thing which is necessary for to be a part of that proposal is mentioned in the CBA. On CBA, you need to finalize vendor on the basis of price, quality, and lead time. The final vendor is selected. Normally, we go for the lowest vendor offering best quality of the product. When the vendor is selected in the CBA, the next step is making an SRP, Supply Request Proposal. This is an internal document between procurement department and finance department. An SRP is signed by the purchaser, the buyer, and the head of the procurement. That is sent to the accounts department for getting an approval for the budget available. After the SRP is signed and received, we move on to the final step, that is making a formal purchase order. Purchase order includes unit price of the product, its description, total price, buyer's detail, account holders confirmation, required date, payment terms, delivery location, delivery type, and shipping mode. These are the basic terms that will be a part of the PO. When the PO is acknowledged and received by the vendor, we move on to the order confirmation and shipping of the order. When the vendor delivers the order and the items are received, the final document that is made is called GRN. GRN stands for Goods Receiving Note. It's an acknowledgement or a receiving receipt of the items that are delivered by the vendor. It confirms that the items received by the warehouse staff or the company requesting the items are the same as per the PO which was issued to the vendor. So this was all about the manual procurement system which is normally used. In the next video, we'll be having information about working on an automated system for procurement management. Thank you very much. Have a good day.